How to get evolution shards in Clash Royale. Today I'm going to explain the fast methods. Evolution shards are the special materials you need to unlock and upgrade card evolutions in Clash Royale. These evolutions make certain cards stronger, giving them new abilities or improved stats. Since they're crucial for staying competitive, knowing how to get them efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort. The first and most consistent way to get evolution shards is through seasonal rewards. Every new season in Clash Royale includes events and reward tracks where you can earn shards by progressing through tiers. You can do this by collecting crowns, winning battles, and completing daily or special challenges. The more you play and the higher you climb, the more shards you'll collect. Always check the reward track to see which levels contain shards so you can prioritize reaching those milestones first. Another reliable method is through Evo quests, which are specific missions tied to evolved cards. These quests often require using a particular card in battle or winning a certain number of matches. Completing them grants you a handful of shards directly, or sometimes evolution tokens that can be converted into shards for any card evolution. Make sure to check the quests tab regularly because new ones are added as new evolutions are released. You can also get evolution shards from shop offers and special events. The in-game shop sometimes includes shard bundles that can be purchased with gold, gems, or real money. While it's faster, this method is optional if you prefer free-to-play progression. On the other hand, limited time events and tournaments often reward shards upon completion. Even if you don't win first place, just participating and reaching certain stages can still earn you a few shards. Another good source is magic items and wild shards, which are occasionally included in chests or season pass rewards. Wild shards are especially useful because you can apply them to any card's evolution, letting you focus on your preferred deck. Keep an eye out for these in chests like legendary or champion chests as they have a higher chance of containing them. Lastly, don't forget to log in daily and take advantage of free rewards. Clash Royale frequently gives out small bonuses through the daily shop, and sometimes that includes shards or evolution related items. Combining this with steady play during events and challenges ensures you're constantly building your shard collection without spending anything. In summary, the fastest ways to get evolution shards are by completing seasonal rewards, finishing Evo quests, joining events, and checking shop offers. Staying active in the game is the key. By following these methods consistently, you'll be able to evolve your favorite cards faster and stay ahead in the arena without having to rely on luck or heavy spending.